Hi, welcome back to 90 Seconds with Nash. I'm Regina Mosley, Family and Consumer Sciences Agent for North Carolina Cooperative Extension serving Nash and Edgecombe counties. And today in this episode, I just want to talk to you a little bit about our updates for the Family and Consumer Sciences Department here in Nash County, and then I'm going to share with you one of my favorite summer recipes, Pico de Gallo. So some of the programs that I've worked on while we've been in our virtual world of COVID-19 learning is we did a virtual program of cooking under pressure, which focused on multi-cookers. We also did a beginner grilling class. I have a Cooking Up the Season mini-series that's going on, and I've posted 6 videos to that so far. And I'm in the process of doing a virtual meds instead of meds program, which is a 6-week class that we're doing online. So today we're going to look at Pico de Gallo. For this recipe, you need 6 Roma tomatoes, and you want to dice them, and you want to seed them first because you don't want to have the seed and the pulp in there. And you're going to use half of a red onion, diced as well, and we're just going to pour it right in with our tomatoes. 2 jalapeno peppers, you want to seed them and dice them up. 1 bunch of cilantro, and you want to chop that. And then you're going to use the juice of 1 lime, and we're just going to pour that right over top of the rest of our ingredients. And we're going to give it a quick stir. And it's so pretty and colorful. It looks very refreshing, and it reminds me of the summer. It's a simple and easy recipe. You can serve this plain with chips, or you can put it on hamburgers, or you can serve it on top of chicken once it comes off the grill. And for our demonstration, we're just going to put a little bit of pico right there. Isn't that beautiful? Doesn't that make a pretty plate? For more information on Nash County Cooperative Extension, contact us at 459-9810. Thank you.